Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use GGives in GCash app. So let's start. First, open the GCash application on your mobile device. On the home screen, tap on this barrel icon. In this menu, look for the GGives option and tap on it. Once you are in the GGives section, you will see a list of available offers and promotions. Tap on the offer that you'd like to use. You will be directed to a page with more details about the offer, including any requirements or terms. Follow the on-screen instructions to redeem the offer. After redeeming the offer, you should receive a confirmation message. The benefits of the GGives will be applied to your GCash account or transaction. Now, if you want to use GGives on offline stores via Generate QR, first open the GCash application and tap on the QR button. Next, scan the store's QR to start the payment process. After that, select GGives as your payment method. Next, choose your preferred installment plan. You can choose between 6 months or 12 months installment. If your transaction is successful, a receipt will appear on the screen. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. And if you do, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.